Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and I decided to stop by the BMW Zentrum Museum. Unfortunately, due to COVID, the cars are locked and we're not allowed to do the manufacturer's tour. So what we can do, we can just walk around and I will take you with me. So I hope you enjoyed that short video of what's inside the BMW Zentrum Museum. So you can also come by. These are your hours, Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 5:30. It is free. You just walk in, sign a waiver, have a mask on, and you can walk around. They also have a cafe and a gift shop. So thank you guys for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.